Now we are going to learn the negation. We have already learned the negation. For example, take this question. Le garçon joue toujours au cricket. The boy plays. The word toujours means always, okay? They are asking, does the boy play cricket always? Now, when we want to answer in the negative, what would we say? No. If this word was not there, okay? If toujours is not there, le garçon joue au cricket? Non. Il ne joue pas de cricket. Sorry, no question mark. So this is how we would write it if this word is not there. The question would be, does the boy play cricket? No, he doesn't play cricket. Now, when this word comes, toujours, they are asking if he always plays cricket. What would you answer? To answer in ne plus. Normally we would say ne pas. When toujours is involved, we would use ne plus. This means no more or not anymore. So how would you write this? Le. This is a question. So first you have to say yes or no. We are going to answer in the negative. So, non, il ne joue plus au cricket. So, instead of pas, we use plus. Toujours is replaced by plus. No, he doesn't play anymore the cricket. So, I hope you understood the difference between ne pas and ne plus. Ne pas just gives you the negative of the sentence. Does he play? No, he doesn't play. However, ne plus gives you the meaning that not anymore or no more. So, shall we do an exercise to understand this?